How to reset your password in Medatiq Markets. Let's get started. First, the login screen will open. Enter your email address. If you want to reset your password, simply click on the Forgot Password option. After clicking on it, the Forgot Your Password screen will open. Here, enter your registered email address where you would like to receive the 6-digit OTP code. Once you've entered your email, click on the Send OTP button. As soon as you click on it, an OTP will be sent to your registered email address. Open your email, copy the OTP code, and paste it into the OTP field on the screen. Then, click on the Verify OTP button. After the OTP is verified, the Reset Password screen will open. Here, enter your new password and then enter the same password again in the Confirm Password field. Once you've entered both passwords, simply click on the Reset Password button. Your password will be reset successfully. Now you can log in again using your registered email address and your new password. And that's it. A quick and simple way to reset your password. Thanks for watching.